All right, so yeah, I know it's been a while. Here's an update video, just kind of by the seat of my pants. Obviously, I've been busy because I haven't been doing anything video-wise. If you can't tell, the shop has been reorganized again. Been working on the trailer frame, got the fender overriders and one trailing arm designed and tacked and where it should roughly go. There's going to be airbag here to here and spring perch. General idea. So that's slowly going. I still have to make a mirrored arm for the other side, which I've got some of it together, but there's no room over there to work on it. So I'm going to have to move all this and scoot it over. What else is new? Let's see. I started doing the scrap art stuff again. Check it out. I've got like 20 new subscribers since I actually posted anything. So if you're new, thank you. I appreciate it. This is all some weird like 80s medical rehabilitation elliptical machine that was 40 bucks on Marketplace, and it can't. I got like seven sets of pillow block bearings, which is awesome because if you've ever built a go-kart, well, you know, these things are not cheap. So I got 7 sets of those, some big kinetic flywheels, some pulleys, and then these weird 90-degree gearboxes with some eccentric machine shop. Anyway, whole bunch of weird stuff. So yeah, 40 bucks for all those. So I'm definitely going to be building something that moves, hopefully using the little supercharged go-kart engine. Went to a little maker's market, flea market thing they had the other day, and I ended up selling off a whole bunch of scrap art stuff I've been holding around collecting dust. So I'll probably be making more of it, and going next month, maybe I can sell more. Got a whole bunch of gun barrels to make stuff out of too from the gun shop. Thank you. So that's new. I figured that out. Figure out what we're gonna make. Lathe is over here now and up and running, working. Woo! And I did finally get a mill. Big shout out to my OnlyFans for funding this. Just kidding. I don't have an OnlyFans because no one wants to watch me in my underwear welding. Yeah, so got a whole bunch of tooling. It's kind of joint custody between Brandon and I. So yeah, if you need something milled, he's more than welcome to come mill it, or I can try to not mess it up. So yeah, so mill check, lathe check. So see, you complain, you get what you ask for. Not really true. Got this piece of Lexan I need to do something with. The bug's up on the frame table just to kind of condense space. This was over at the machine shop. It's just a paintball barrel, but it's sturdy enough. It would be a really nice handbrake for a drift car. So I don't know. We'll make it into something. What else? KX125s together. I need an airbox. So if anyone has an airbox for an 85 KX125, let me know. Rebuilt that stupid grinder once already, and the bearings are so noisy it's deafening. So new bench grinder eventually. That one's nice and quiet. That one's not. Let's see what else. That's about it for in here. Been doing Honeydew chore lists. The backyard has been graded and drainage issue almost fixed. Burn pile. Finished painting the house. Moved the shipping container. It's not here anymore. It's in the driveway. And yeah, it's like 55 degrees. And it was like 85 2 days ago. So Louisiana weather for you. Other than that, once again, if anyone's actually listening, thank you, those few subscribers that kind of popped up over the last like 3 weeks. I haven't done a thing. I haven't even looked at my channel, and I got like, I'm at like 228 subscribers. So woo, that was last I looked, I was at like 210. So the 18 of you that for some reason hit the subscribe button, thank you. I know it's nothing to push the button, but it is motivating, so I do appreciate it. Other than that, that's about it. Hopefully we can get the camper to a roller soon so I can do the tongue, and hopefully I figure out what the hell I want to build out of all these bearings. The thing all the cool kids are doing is the power wheels with the, you know, motorcycle engines. You know, like the grind hard guys, they, you know, do great work in a shop that's like a third the size of this. So, but they also have, you know, friends who come to help. Hint, hint, you know who you are. So, yeah, we'll have to see. But yeah, that's that. This is a Friday, so everyone have a good weekend. I'm going to close myself in the shop and try and do something. Oh, side note, you can run 36 volt hoverboard batteries on the little Razor electric bikes, and they work pretty well. So the more you know. Anyway, that's it for this quick one clip video. Yeah, because my battery's at like 8%. So Merry Christmas to all, and to all a good night.